SlimeRancher2. Well, let's go start playing. Let's go start playing. Yeah, guys, I'm remember, guys. I got 8 of more nectars, 1 woody cloak, 5 butter slimes, and 1 woody slime. Yeah, I'm by the line right here. Imagine you go in this place here and you turn around, you see there. That will be so cursed. And lucky. People said the yoga slimes. I watched days a day ago when I saw my recording. I checked on YouTube what yoga slimes. Because I didn't actually understand or the yoga slime can make blood, poop out eggs, and stays around some chickens. And second, to find a yogi slime, you need to find a chicken called chicken place. The chicken stays. Can I plant windy? Okay, let me just throw this plug away. Boom! Okay, well, the thing I need is to buy a corral. And they said the pool of nectar spawns in the middle of the night or the middle of the sun. Forming that day in 23 hours. That is how I got this honey and this pool of nectar. Okay. Because you give a more nectar to the butter slimes, they glow, look. So you give a more nectar to the butter slimes, they do this. Okay, I'm just feeding to them. This happens. He gets happy. I need to get my precious yogi slime. I need to buy them. What I'm doing with a stack of water solids. It's like friendship. The slime is spying at the yogi slime. The yogi slime is nervous. Get it. We have a whole stack. Let's go see what they do. And also, I didn't change my profile. Well, that was. I just too excited. I don't have that much space in my inventory. Yeah, so I don't have enough space to my mansion. Well, looks like I need to buy something new. Like this? Dark dim. No dark. No dark. I get scared. Next. What is this? The hallway. Okay, the hallway doesn't say dark deep. But it costs over 1,800. It costs over 1,800 money. Well, let's go grind some dollars. Oh, I forgot to have a collector code. No worry, we can buy more. Stupid. I forgot I cannot hold 2 plots. I have my inventory full. This is kind of hard. Holding 3 stuff. Yeah! Hold on, 40 panels. I total that much? That is 3. I think I'm gonna mix Tangle with butter, I think. No, I'm going to mix butter with also mix butter with Angler. They only eat chickens. Oh, nectar. That would be hard to feed them. The heart is the same thing. Okay, let's go with crystal. What crystals eat? They eat veggies. Their favorite are add onions. Okay, well, let's go with crystal. Now let's go buy the area. I need more money. My dream is the balloons, tower defense, and new balloons. Imagine balloons, tower defense, and tower defense 6. You have like they had like a shock balloon who runs super fast into purple. I prefer playing. I hate asking you to play the survive the disaster warnings. I prefer playing the Wenda because it's much more better. Because it has more updates and more crazy stuff. I prefer seeing that balloon start defense map because they also added. Okay, I see. Nice. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. How many corrals there's 5. Perfect. I can fit 2 slimes here. I can fit two plants, 1 corral of chickens, and 2 corrals of slimes. That's perfect. Okay, let's go make the things. Wait a second. We need to do a test. I didn't expect I can fit more slimes in there. It's crazy. They need to hear the sound. Like this. You cannot ask him because it's too fast. Because I'm a fasty. 100. I bet you're having a drone instead. I wanted a drone. Go. Bow. I didn't swerve. Go. Who wants the chicken? I want the chicken. Can I plant a maroon nectar in a plantation? And test. No, I can't. It's like just a golden fruit. Damn it, why I bought this? Don't worry, man, I'm not gonna sell it. Now let's go buy the corral. They said they live on trees. Let's go ahead. Jump. Now the only thing to make eggs, I need to find chickens to taste them. Like I own a farm with a giant yoki egg. Like I need to find chickens and place inside of the corral. The yoki slime lay big eggs. They said, not tiny eggs, big eggs. That's weird. The Yoki slimes are not turning into chickens because they are laying big eggs. We don't care. Life sometimes sucks. Eat it. You should turn to a maroon nectar slime and not a Yoki slime. It can be the same, but not the same past days. Remember those 2 plots guy left on the floor. I need to collect it. See how this slime just get out of the ground and just see those. I'm doomed. Where's the plot? Where's the plot? I think the plots just respawn. Ah, my slimes are happy. Ah! Why that? Oh, God. That is just disgusting. You can see the difference. Look, when I get close, it's beautiful. When I get from long, it's disgusting. That is disgusting. Well, they sadly, they said slimes that when they eat food, they still eat food. But out to make me full. Look. What? Look. See the ringtail slimes are full. They eat the food by their own selves, but they don't make lots. Because they are full, but they eat the food by their own. Just like the pink slimes do. Just like absorb it. Like a vacuum. Well, let's go. My rancher experience here. Get some chickens. I prefer eating a lip balm or a corner. I prefer eating a lip balm because it melts, but if you eat a lip balm as clean. But if you eat a corner, it will be stuck in you forever. Well, I prefer lip balm. Go! Go lip balm! Lip balm is much more better than corners. Aha! I prefer keep all my passwords because I don't know how to make passwords, so I prefer that the messiest password like this. Hello, I am stupid. Keep the person who will enter my code to the place will not even know what is my code. That would be so fun. I prefer be all your passwords. Ask it. What is that about? I prefer going to the zoo and just see some beautiful birds. And he says that little rabbit. Yeah, like that. I prefer the zoos because I want to see that cute birds. But they're actually not real. They're sometimes real and fake. But you can always think in life and they are real. Because sometimes life is unfair. Now we need just a way to make eggs. It's already 8:30. I will take a nap. That means this corral over here is full with a slime corral here. That means I can fit 2 planters. I can fit 2 planters there. Wow, if you're placing my farm right here and my another farm right there, and the farm slimes right here, and the farm the slimes right here. Because it just like mixes up stuff. I need just to find the other ones. My mom just asked me, did you see my lighter? Did you smoke? And I said no. Are you lying? I said no. And he just went by. Yeah, your country can smoke because I live in another country. But I say English because I just like it like that. Because I just like to break the logic of the stuffs. Because I got it kind of broken. Because my name is broken. Ooh! Damn it, I'm so close. Oh my god. Better thing, don't get agitated and start screaming something problems. But okay, let's go. No, I need one much more better. I need a picture much more better. Eat your food when you see your sussy face. Yes, you. And I need to take a good picture. I need to take a good picture. And that is a good one. That's a good one. Okay, now let's go put it back. I was just having the good angle and choose the picture to change my profile pic on YouTube. I prefer taking a rock. In place from my inventory. Because I just need rocks in my life. Because sometimes I just smash my teeth with a rock. Because that was painful. Okay, let's go now check if they laid any eggs. All the chickens just laid eggs. Do you ever did this with your skateboard? I forgot I have a jetpack. I forgot about it. Okay, looks like one of the chickens is grown. I forgot I have a jetpack. I didn't notice. I just forgot about jetpack because I don't play this game a long time. You never touch? Oh, never talk to you. You never talk to you. No, I prefer never be touched again because but touch. You're never being touched. I want to give a hug to my mom. And but never talk. How would talk to my mother? Just give up. Just go in middle. You are out of the picture. You are out of the game. You didn't get a choice fast. Yeah, those are the two worst choices. Is that my sister? Oh! My sister! I didn't saw that. I didn't notice that. My sister is more populated. Go inside Planet the next electric. Instead letting your little airplanes in different shapes of upside down or up or any shape or any shape. Screw that. Next revolution will be inside of the planet. That's our next revolution. Where's my trooper? I don't know. I just either figure out what is around just a bit focus like a pink slime because you get thing. You're not that lazy. Oh God! It smells right. I can feel dying with action. I can feel. Oh, do your homework? Oh, do not do. I prefer doing not my homework because I'm going to do my recording things. You're never going to see my face or my voice again because I that stupid hormone. No, hormone sucks. Either school sucks because it's just present for kids. Are you agree? It's present for kids. So you agree me? See, present the school. Look, I have these two choices. School is present to you, or school is not present. You got two choices. Are you agree that school is just present for kids, or school is not present for kids? What you choose? I choose present is for kids. School is present for kids. Yeah. I choose school is just present for kids. Because that just make my brain smaller. But it needs to also be smaller. It's raining? Oh, it's raining. How do you know that? Just look at the bottom left up there. Something wrong with treasure box. And to make the yolk slime laid eggs, so laid eggs, I need one rooster. He's this big here. He's a chunky fish. Been eating cheeseburgers inside of you, right? Runny just to give us the chickens, and that's how we make eggs. Well, do you see something well over there? That means it's our slime. Wind? What is the wind on? Let me just look. Oh, shocking. That's gonna be raining, lightning, and wind. Oh, the way to the maximum. I'm going to that place right now. That is the only place people stand to get out of. But let's go there. I'm going to stop it. Of brothers. That sound of like that just looks like oh. You hear those sounds of rain? It's real rain. Actually, it's rain. Actually, it's rain from the game. Actually, if it's rain from the game, actually makes it like the rain is coming from. People said corn things are corn. You can make up yourself corn those white things. Well, are you thinking about corn slimes? The corn slimes because I kind of do. I'm super rich and live in my own house with children, so I'm the most funniest kid and that's the most funniest parent and those and not. At my school, lucky slime! Haha! I gotcha, bitch. Gotcha, bitch. I got you. Gotcha, lucky slime. Gotcha. Too easy. Getting lucky slimes are too easy sometimes. And sometimes hack. Oh! This is how the maximum rain stays in the map? More disaster? This is more disaster than the golden rain. There's even puddles of water. Oh my god. This is how you see a rain this strong? This whole mess? Oh, I found out onion. Aha! An onion. Now we can just push. This is how you feel see a freaking maximum rain at a place? This looks like hell. My screen is covered of water. Look. It's like dog screen. Yeah, dog. I'm just kidding. You can have on top. He sometimes plays. Don't you dare. Don't you dare get in top of the I just stuck with it. I hate the lag and rotation. Oh gosh. I need the push ahead. I need 10 I need 60. No, I need SD5, only 5. Ow! See? Okay, I'm gonna try that. My phone says it's a simple phone. What else will happen is add my What are you, tarnation? That looks like that day everything was orange today. It was like this when I play my games in New Year. When it was the New Year, the whole sky was like orange, but this thing, it looks the same, which is kind of different. He was like, oh, that's right. 2 days ago, when it's the New Year, the sky was all orange. It was raining. Oh my goodness. Do you want to see that? Do you want to see that? There's special up. And that's how you see that orange. I hear the sound of talk. My screen's getting covered. Even my gun is getting covered of water. See that water drops? It's the water. I need to return it back because it's gonna hold everything. Can I get an upgrade that can hold two? I need out. That video really looks like this. Even like a bomb, like looks like a bomb, like this. And my left. Not this video here. I have the microphone on. I just realized my microphone was all the way down to my throat. You can only hear me a little bit. That was so stupid. Why did you say that? It's gonna take so much time that I don't click the button SEAS. Only some games like Roblox. Actually, Roblox is my favorite game now. Sometimes I don't. Because Roblox sometimes sucks. It's because cook. You know there's 2 heroes of cook. I see the sound about Chloe. Oh, the rain stopped. But this place is kind of going now hell. The rain now is going down. Here also stopped. That means there's no rain. My God, it's not sweating. No one is better than the original. Sometimes I like to do this just to move your head. Done. Could have got this. Wait a second, why there's carrots? Oh, there's more onions and more carrots. That's the That's what I was talking about! The yolky egg! Over here! And to crack the yolky egg, you get floats. So you let it too much alive, you will only will be chickens. Well, see, I to crack it, I need to throw it in a wall. To make baby chickens, I need to let it be so much black and later crack it. Okay, let's go. Yo! Yolky floats! Oh, I can collect them already. This is the best thing ever. Where's my Yoki slime? Oh, it's right here. Lucky Yoki slime. It's their own floods. This Yoki floods are much more different than the Yoki slime because the Yoki slime is kind of like orange and mellow, but the floods is actually orange and mellow. Actually, only white and mellow. Because the Yoki slime in the top is actually like orange, yellow, and white, but the flood is actually yellow and orange. Makes having total 40 floats. That is a lot. But I hope you enjoyed this video. More nectars, the Yoki slime, the further slimes, and goodbye.